for me.
You wanted 6 inches.
I wanted you to give me 6 inches, but then we discovered all we had was 4. Beggars can't be choosers. He's using advanced technologies not known to our channel. What is this device?
This tells us the angle from here to here.
Whoa. When was that invented? It has to be this year.
I don't know.
What do they call that?
Check the spring back. 57.5. 57.1. 57.8.
Oh! I don't know what that means.
That's exactly what your other one was.
Oh.
You have 2 matching parts on this car.
Well, kind of. The length's still off. But we have one. Okay. That's enough downstairs jokes for 5 minutes of filming it. What's up, guys? So this video got all sorts of mixed up and confused and backwards, and just a lot happens and a lot of mistakes were made. In a nutshell, I had an hour and 20 minutes of content that I broke down into about 30 minutes, and I'm now going to break that 30 minutes down into 5 minutes for you because basically everything I did looks atrocious. So I'm going to break everything down and just do a voiceover of all the crap that I did, and then basically the highlight of this video is the Jeep starts, and I'm so excited about that. So I'm going to walk you through everything I did. It'll give you kind of a quick overlay of some ideas that could work, some ideas that don't work. I basically made fenders that look like butterfly wings. Like they're so weird. So those are going to go away. So I'm just going to highlight everything I did. Also, Garage Idiots t-shirts are still up on the website. It's thegarageidiots.com. Link is in the description. Thank you guys for those who have already bought them. We shipped a bunch out last week. So without further ado, I'm going to explain to you 4 days of wasted time. One more thing, if you guys could like this video, it really helps boost our videos up in the algorithm. So if you could take 5 seconds and just go bloop, because you're gonna like it. The Jeep starts. That's it. You're gonna like it. So basically, after Daniel bent these bars like I told him to, they didn't really fit, and I decided I want to go a completely different route. So after hammering these a bunch, I started just mocking up an entirely new idea. I thought that the extra bends on this old Miata hoop would add kind of a neat, different kind of look to the fenders. It's hard to build fenders for this because the wheel is sitting so high up compared to roll to body sitting so low. So I thought, okay, well, I'll make these sit flush with the grill. And the vision I had in my head was freaking sweet. And by the end of this, you will see that despite all my hard work, these don't look good. You might be able to see kind of some potential and maybe kind of see what I had in my head, but at the end of the day, they don't look good, and kind of the vision that I had is kind of gone. So I got them to sit pretty nice and flush and got them symmetrical and level. And then on a lot of Jeep fenders, the fender comes down after it meets up with the headlight. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to try and make something on the front just to make it look a little more Jeepish. And I screwed these up once as far as getting them symmetrical, and then I ended up getting them straight, and then I ended up deciding I didn't like them. Made a couple bars on the side that you just watched, and then I went as far as cutting out tops to the fenders. And as you can see right there, it literally looks like I gave the Jeep wings, so we're scrapping that idea.
So we're going to take a break from the fenders and get this bad boy running, and then
go back to the fenders.
We'll go back to fenders. We'll get it running now. And how far did you get with the turbo setup?
So Jamie told me to get it running by Holly.
Okay.
Go up there, get it tuned NA.
NA? Okay.
Come back, do the turbos again, go back up, get it tuned NA, just so we do it little steps at a time.
Steps at a time. Okay, I like that.
So
let's do that. We'll get it running, get it tuned NA, and then boost it after that.
Yeah. So we got to do head heads and head gaskets and head studs. We don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work anymore because I smashed it so bad. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get started on that, and then I'll come back to the fenders when Mina's not here.
Yep.
Because I need his help because I don't know what I'm doing.
Me neither. Just kidding.
Great.
On that. That's insane.
German made.
Yeah, look. Wait, it's here somewhere.
What?
Germany.
On American?
Yeah,
Those look pretty serious though.
they do.
So that's what Daniel with Olympus Off-Road gave us. So go subscribe to their channel because they do in the bug cage and they gave us this and studs. Yeah, those are. How many layers are there?
Well, I think it says multi-layer, but
Looks like there's like 9.
one. See, I don't know if that's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6, 7.
7. LS9 head gaskets with 7 layers.
Should be good for 80 pounds boost. At least minimum 80 pounds.
I don't know what to say to you when you say
Find the boost case that goes
stupid
80 pounds
stuff.
boost.
Okay, I'm gonna have to see. So I got jumper cables on the battery. I'm gonna have to try and put that in the Civic and see if I can scoot it over here to make it reach, because that battery's dead. This should still be stupid loud. Warning. Okay, we have a jump box now. Yes! Holy crap! There's some vacuum leaks. That rev right up to like 4 grand. Which is super bad. But it started. I was missing a ground. That has become a rushed curse of mine. Hang on. So, I don't know what this video ended up being, but point is, the Jeep freaking starts, which means we have tons and tons of exciting stuff to do instead of watching me grind and weld stuff that looks like butterfly wings on the front of a Jeep. So I'm gonna just take the fenders off, I'm gonna take that crap off, and we're gonna revisit that later. I have one more idea that I think is gonna look cool, less butterfly blue wing thing, and I think it'll be simple. So I'll walk you through it right now and see if you'd like it. So I'm thinking so the problem is a lot of the Jeep rods that you'll see, they stretch the front end. So the wheels sit in front of the grill, which allows them to do normal Jeep fenders that aren't even over the wheels. So my idea is to do like a little, almost like what I had here before, that little black triangle piece. Basically do a fender that comes out and then just goes in like right here. Like just like a little tiny half fender just to give it something. Just because up front I have to do it about that high, otherwise we're gonna run into problems there unless I get a really wide and negative offset wheel that clears the fender entirely. But I don't know when or if that's ever gonna happen. Obviously these are not the wheels I'm gonna be doing. I had a nice set of wheels on here. I needed them for a car he was flipping. So I have 3 Z06 wheels. I have 1 rear and 2 fronts, which are both on that side. So anyways, that's kind of my idea, but we have a lot of crap to do that doesn't involve that at all. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna, unless I get a brilliant idea, I'm gonna ignore the fenders completely, finish some of the other overwhelming body work because this thing looks cool without fenders and without a hood. We might revisit the hood and just see if we can just get the hood to fit without fenders, see how that looks. I don't know, but there's a ton of other crap to do. So next thing I'm gonna do is set that new radiator in here and route new hoses. Clean all this crap up. I deleted ABS and it looks like just a giant cluster. So I gotta clean all that up to get the radiator to fit nicely. And then we gotta run exhaust and we're gonna have it come up right about here like for the single turbo setup, but we're not gonna turbo yet, blah, 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 blah. Gotta see what's going on with the diff. We might have figured out the problem. It might not even be the diff. So we're gonna slap it all together, go drive it, see if the noise is still there. We have a ton to do now with those new heads on. Like I said, I have no idea where that video was or is, but like I said, point being, Jeep starts, and that is a huge step forward. And I'm really sorry that things have been so boring lately with just me trying to fab up stuff with crap I have hanging out here. So Jeep starts, like this video, comment, let me know what you think. I'm really excited. I'm gonna send that video, just that little snippet to Mina. He's gonna pee himself. Probably not, but okay, that's all I got for you. Again, I'm sorry, hopefully I edited this in a way that all the crap I did on the fenders was a mere like 5 minutes and just a summary of all the stuff I screwed up, and then boom, Jeep starts, new heads, right on. we did something right. Maybe, hopefully, that was a pretty quick start just to, I mean, no coolant was going in there, so that was just to see what's going on. Okay, that's all I got for you. Like I said, like and share and comment and all that jazz. You guys liking the videos really helps bump it up in the algorithm. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please just take the time to click bloop. That's all I got for you. We'll see you soon. Me and Mina are gonna be, he's gonna be pumped. I'm already pumped, so we're gonna get going on everything I just said. And the Bugs Cage is coming along well, so go check that out. Team Olympus, that's their YouTube channel. Their link is in our description. Garage Idiots t-shirts, thegarageidiots.com. Those are still up there. Go grab them. And thank you guys for watching and being patient. I know this video took a minute to come out, and really most of this video was probably just the last 2 days of work and not the last 5 days of work I spent on my butterfly fenders. So, all right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.